Hi guys, today I want to film a video about my hair care routine before I go to the shower. So my hair was growing, you can see the white hair also, but in the last period I don't know if it was for my no yellow mask, because I was applying right above my scalp, or my scalp didn't like the new shampoo from Sabrina, but I have dandruff again. So now I'm in a more essential oil period, so I have some rosemary oil that I want to put on my scalp just to improve my hair grow. I want to achieve more length, and because my hair is dry on my ends because that bleach that I have from Munir 2 times, like I mentioned in other videos. I want to gain more length, so the next week I will go to cut my hair a tiny bit, because I don't like how it looks. I have to curl my hair with my headband all the time, because if I let my hair straight, I don't like how it looks. I will insert a photo here just to see how it looks. So guys, this is the essential oil from doTERRA, rosemary oil. I switched to more natural oils, and doTERRA, beside of the high price, I guess has more natural ingredient on their hair oils, because essential oils, because I see in the other natural store other kind of essential oils, very cheap, and the smell is different, guys. So maybe doTERRA or Young Living or other kind of big companies of essential oils have a good reason to put some big price on their hair oils. But I received these hair oils. I have only a few drops, because I was buying other kind of oils for my wellness. I enjoy very much balance, and for constipation issues, fennel, and last one was lemon that I will show you in other video how to use on your kitchen and your cleaning routine to be more natural. So I have the essential oil, and I have coconut oil just to put together. Be careful guys, never to put essential oil right on your scalp, because it is very concentrated, and you have more chance to have irritation or other kind of problem, and we don't want this. Because I just have few drops, I just take this away. I was putting these drops in my shampoo too. 2, 3, like you say. Let's see, 3 drops, and essential and coconut oil. I just rub my hand very well, and I just massage onto my scalp. I have noticed that it isn't the first time that I use rosemary oil on my scalp, and in the last period I noticed that my scalp was doing so great because of it. I don't put any other oil on my scalp, just on my length, like I will show you today. So my hands are drying enough. The oil has been absorbed on my scalp. Now I can put on my length this hair oil by Erin. This also have lavender and other good stuff, but in the past I was putting on my scalp too, but I don't this oil didn't give me the right result. I was struggling with dandruff also, and didn't cure this problem. And I just put some drops on my ends, on my mid ends. For one session I put 6 or 7 pumps of oil. So this bottle, this is the 30 milliliters bottle, but they have also the big one, 50 milliliters. So I just put the oil, but because there are oils and tend to dry my my scalp, I just want to put some hair cap, just to ensure that my hair stays hydrated and the oils aren't drying my hair. If you have time, it's good just to put heat on your hair cap. So it isn't the prettiest look, but for my hair gives me a good result. So I just let this sit for 2 or 3 hours, depend on my day. But because today is Saturday, I just have to do some work on my house. We are in renovation mode, like you will see in a future video. So I don't go out until tonight, so I have plenty of time to just sit with my hair oils on my scalp and hair. So I will show you the final result after I wash my hair with my regular product. But I want to mention that in the last day I was using also the Trico Art spray for my dandruff. So this is my hair after I wash it, and I made my essential oil treatment. It is very soft, and you see the dandruff is gone. So I will keep drying this hair oil, because essential oil of rosemary especially help a lot with dandruff, and also help to regenerate the hair. Now I just want to cut off some of my length, because it doesn't need so much to be cut, maybe like this, and I can do it by myself. I will part my hair in small section, just not to ruin my hair, and just to cut my ends. I saw many times my hairdresser, she was doing like so. Already has a nice finish. Same thing in this part. I just brush my hair very good. My hair is also in V-line now. And yes, it's not a big deal if I cut also in V-line. The thing is not to be cut so much that you can ruin your hair. And if I don't like it, the next week I have a hair appointment on my hairdresser, and she can correct my my cut. So I want to see if the length is right. It's not. In this part I have to cut more. Something like this. Just dusting my hair. So I want to see now if my length is okay. I made my hair in two parts, also to be more easier to cut off. So I think the hair is cut equally. What do you think? But I want to just take a tiny bit of my frame, because this part is more fragile and tend to break more. Just a tiny bit. So let's see on the back. My hair is damp. It's not 100% dry, so I want to see if the cut is right. I just want to just to see. So I just refresh my hair, just cut a tiny bit because I don't want to ruin my hair, but I will go next week to my hairdresser just to check if my length is okay. But it is a start, just to refresh my my hair. I just use, let me show you, this kind of product. It is very good from Sabrina. It is their color spray, UV Protect and Nourish spray. It is recently buy from my hairdresser just to protect my hair from the sun and all the damage of the sun in the summer. So it smells very good, some floral scent, and I like it because it detangle my hair, and I just use it like a leave-in conditioner after I wash my hair. So hopefully you will find some interesting information in this video, and keep your eyes on my channel, because the next video maybe I will succeed to finish to edit my renovation vlog and show you how amazing transformation I did to my living room. So till next one, bye bye guys, have a nice day.